The iOS 26.4 beta has arrived. Here are the 3 biggest new features you need to know about. Apple has just dropped the iOS 26.4 beta, just 1 week after the release of iOS 26.3. This beta is currently only available to developers, but a wider public release is expected in the coming weeks. Instead of the rumored Gemini-powered Siri, this update focuses on changes to Apple Music, podcasts, and testing out end-to-end encryption for messages. One of the most exciting new features is the introduction of AI-generated playlists in Apple Music. Apple Music also received a redesign in this beta, featuring full-page artwork and a new section showing local concerts and tour dates. The biggest musical update is Playlist Playground, allowing users to create AI-generated playlists based on text prompts. Just type in a description, like evening wind-down songs, and Apple Music will generate a 25-song playlist for you. These playlists can be further customized by adding more prompts, manually curating songs, and adding personalized cover art. Apple Podcasts also received a significant update, enhancing its video capabilities. Switching between audio and video within a podcast episode should now be much easier and more intuitive. The app's communication protocol will automatically adjust the playback quality of video podcasts based on your current network conditions. Users will also now be able to swap between horizontal and vertical displays for video podcasts, offering more viewing flexibility. Podcast creators can now dynamically insert video ads into their episodes, giving them access to the broader video advertising market. Finally, the iOS 26.4 beta begins testing Rich Communication Services, or RCS, end-to-end encryption in messages. This security measure is being tested to eventually make texting your Android-using friends more secure. However, during this testing stage, the encryption is only available for messages sent between Apple devices. The release notes clarify that RCS end-to-end encryption won't be included when iOS 26.4 comes out of beta, but will be added in a future update. To wrap up, the iOS 26.4 beta brings exciting new features across multiple platforms. The main takeaways are AI-generated playlists in Apple Music, significant video enhancements for Apple Podcasts, and the initial testing of RCS end-to-end encryption in messages. Stay tuned for the public release, expected in the following weeks, to experience these new features for yourself.